Need a little help to get swimsuit ready but don't want to go under the knife?
It's all the rage in Hollywood right now.
Celebrity skincare guru Nurse Jamie is letting you in on the best kept secret.
This is the best tightening laser.
And her patient Wendy is hoping to firm up this summer.
I want to have legs that I can walk around the beach, wear shorts, and not be embarrassed. I would love to have legs that look like Jennifer Lopez.
Here's how New Era Tight works.
It causes your collagen fibers to thicken, the overlying skin adheres firmer.
It works on key problem areas.
You can do this with the strapless gowns, you can do it on the back of the arms, the bra strap fat.
The best part? No pain, all gain.
It feels like a warm massage.
It's only 25 minutes to see the tightening results. And like I said, optimal results are after 4 to 5 treatments. It's going to make everything more succinct and tight, which is what we want.
Because skin is always in for summer.
Want more extra? Hit the subscribe button and the bell and never miss a video.